The Agusta Westland AW-101 is a medium-lift helicopter in military and civil use. First flown in 1987, it was developed by a joint venture between Westland Helicopters in the United Kingdom and Agusta in Italy in response to national requirements for a modern naval utility helicopter. Most variants of the AW-101 are equipped with self-defense systems, such as chaff and flare dispensers, directed infrared countermeasures, ESM, and a laser detection and warning system. The AW-101 is powered by 3 turboshaft engines. Initially, the Rolls-Royce Turbonca RTM 322 producing 2,035 to 2,160 shp, and the General Electric CT7 producing 1,960 to 2,329 shp.